In previous one, we created elements. Now we are going to create actions for each and every element. Now here these are the elements button 9, button plus 5 equal and result. For this we need a actions. Let's observe how to create actions. The same way how we have done for the actions for launch and button. Each and every step what you are going to perform on application is a action. Remember this. Each and every task or step what you are going to perform on application is a action. Let's say if I click on a file, that is a action. If I click on cut, that is a action. If I click on delete, that is a action. If I click on property, that is action. Where you are performing is a element, and which application you are performing, that is application modular, right? Application modular for a calculator application. Inside the calculator application where you are going to perform, those are elements. What you are going to do on that elements is a action. Now, after the button 9, what you need to do? Plus, right? Create a new, and then this is for button plus. Click OK. What you need to perform? Same action you need to perform. Again, navigate. Double click on this. This is plus. Element plus. Action plus. Click OK. Let's test this. To test it, reset and then click on this. Now observe this. Plus. Did it click on plus? No. Button plus. Let's observe this. One more time. Reset. Run. Okay. So maybe so you don't have any number 9 plus. Now we have, right? Okay, let's take the 9 and then now run this. Let's observe. Now run. See this? It clicked, right? If you want to verify, one more time, remove that one and then come here, reset and then run. See this? Clicked, right? Plus. After that, we need a 5 button 5, right? Again, one more action. Each and every action, it should be individual. We will discuss why it should be. Button 5. Now again, navigate. Give the link. Double click. Which one it is? Button 5. What you are going to perform? Press again here. Let's test this. Reset, then run. See this? Button 5. After that, what we need to do? Equal, right? Another action. Equal or button equal. Anything is fine. What we are going to perform by using navigate shape. Double click on this. Equal, right? Equal. And then what you want to perform? Press. Click OK. And let's run this. Reset. Run. Equal. It clicked on equal and we have a result. Now this result we need to capture. For that we have a result, right? Result. To get the result from any application, we are going to use read shape. We have to use read shape. Give the link. We'll click on this. Result. We need to get. See this get text to store into the value. Just click on the data item, automatically it will give value from the result. Then here we need to see that result value. Reset and then click. You can able to see the result value in this particular thing. Observe this now. We have a result, right? Okay, everything, every action we have performed. Launch, after that all the buttons. After that, Blueprism has to close this application, right? Close this calculator. For that, we need to give another action. This is also one action. So that action we used to call it as a terminate. launch and terminate will be the default actions for every application, right? Because you need to open that application, you need to close the application. So here, did we created any element for the terminate? Observe this. No. Why? Because launch and terminate both are implemented by main element, because what you have in the main element, executable file .exe, right? And when you are performing opening and then closing, always it is going to directly perform on the .exe file. That's why for to launch and to terminate, we will use always the main element. Remember this. Now let's observe this, which we have given. We have given a launch instead of terminate. Yeah, this is the terminate. Now test this. This application is open, right? When you click on this, when you are running this action, it has to close. Now see this, the action has been closed. Now we created all the actions, right? Each and every action. Now we will see why we should not create everything in one action. Now all these things we can create in one action, right? Let's say, for example, after this one is for launch, after that I can use one for button 9. I can use another one for plus. I can use another one for, sorry, another action shape for button 5. I can connect like this, right? Everything we can do it here only, right? If you observe this, see this, all the elements is available, we can do it. But we should not supposed to do this. Every element action should be separately we need to create, because the main intention of this is reusable purpose, right? Once you created these actions, anyone in your team, in any process, it has to be used. They can able to use for in any process and any, but let's say my requirement is I will launch calculator, I will click on button 9, and then I will click on button 5. Again, I will click on button 5. It means 955. After that, I will click on plus. After that, I will click on 9 and 9. And then after that, result. Then if you do everything in a one place, then it is very difficult to reuse, right? So don't get confused. So I will show you what it means by that in next session. Now what we have learned, how to create a actions for all the elements. Thank you.